site caters for many people, so many facilities nearby. It's excellent for everybody. It's an excellent place to visit for the day tripper or for people looking for a longer stay. They have access to park and ride nearby, they have access to parkland, to sand dunes, all within very close proximity to the site. The main events, which are very well attended from the town point of view and from our club site, are the air show, the flower show, the musical fireworks, to name but a few.